What am I gonna mix today? One egg, like a vegetable. How about some fried rice? Some vegetable fried rice. Wagwan YouTube, welcome back to my channel. As I said before, we're gonna do some fried rice today, vegetables and egg. So first, I'm gonna mince 2 cloves of garlic. Even though you see 3 here, I'm only gonna use 2. Mince that up. Alright, so next I'm gonna move on to my soy sauce mixture. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in this measuring cup right here. That's the 2nd tablespoon. Then I'm also going to add some sweet spicy ginger sauce. This is totally optional. You know, I like sweet and spicy. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon in there, mix it all up, set that aside. Next, we're gonna move on to the next ingredient, which is the egg. I'm gonna crack 1 egg, and this is all I have. You can use 2 eggs if you want, but I only had 1, so I'm using 1. The trick to making good fried rice is to have everything prepared before you start, because you know it burns quickly and you have to do it fast. So like I said, beat this 1 egg in a bowl. If you have 2, you can use 2. All right, so let me tell you what happened. What happened was, I did not press record while I was doing the part before this. So before this, I added the 2 minced garlic to 1 tablespoon of oil and, you know, kind of stir fry it, kind of. Then I added the rice, spin that around for about 3 minutes. Then I added the vegetables to the rice, spin that around for about 3 minutes also. So right now I'm just making a hole in the center of the rice. This is where I'm gonna put the egg. I'm just gonna add another tablespoon or less of oil in the middle. And sadly it just went to the side. Anyway, try not to let yours run to the side. Like, so I'm just gonna pour the egg batter into the center and scramble that very quickly. Alright, so at this point we're gonna add our soy sauce mixture to it and stir that around very quickly. Oh, I didn't mention before, I used 1.5 cups of vegetables and 4 cups of rice. I did add another tablespoon of soy sauce because the color was too light for me. If you like the color before, then that's fine, stop there. I like my fried rice to be a little bit dark. I added about, you know, pepper and salt to your liking. You don't have to add black pepper, but you need to add a little bit of salt just to, you know, give it a little bit of taste. And that's it, practically, we're done. Nothing else here to add. Alright, and this is the finished product. it looked kind of bare. You can eat it like this, but I decided to put one little piece of chicken. Remember the ivan fridge, remember from Sunday, one little piece of baked chicken wing. Probably should have flipped it over on the other side, but oh well. I'm gonna add a little bit of gravy because I like gravy. But like I said, you can eat the rice like as it is. It tasted really good. But I like meat. I like meat for my food. Anyway, next I'm gonna add some chopped scallions because I want to be bougie. You don't have to do this. This is just for presentation. And then that's it. Wanna come call crowd, look pa my thing, look pan my food. It look good though, it look good, and it name good too. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subbing. Please remember to share with a friend so I can get that 100k subscribers count. Thank you again for watching. Love you. Bye.